In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore your website using the Hostinger platform. If you've ever run into issues with your website or simply want to revert some recent changes, restoring a backup is your go-to solution. Stick with me as we walk through each step to ensure your website is back on track in no time. Let's get started by logging into your Hostinger account. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Hostinger website address, then enter your login credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Hostinger dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all things related to your website, giving you access to a variety of tools and settings. From here, make your way to the H panel. The H panel is easy to navigate and acts as the control panel for your hosting services. Look for the Websites section, which is usually located in the main menu of the H panel. Clicking on Websites will provide you with a list of all the websites you have hosted with Hostinger. Find the specific website you need to restore and select Edit Website. This will take you to the website management area where you can adjust settings and perform various actions related to your site. Now, it's time to navigate to the Backups section, which is crucial for restoring your site. Once you're in the Backups section, you'll see a list of backups available for your website. Backups are usually stored with details like the date and time they were created. These backups ensure that you have several points to restore from, depending on when issues might have started or when you last remembered your site working perfectly. Choose a backup date that best suits your needs. For example, if your website started having issues yesterday, select a backup from the day before to restore your site to a point where everything was functioning smoothly. Keep in mind that selecting the right backup is important, as it determines what data and changes are restored. After making your selection, you'll find the option to restore the website builder data. This particular step ensures that the website content created using Hostinger's website builder tools is accurately restored, so focus on getting this right. Next, go ahead and click Restore. A prompt will likely appear asking you to confirm your choice. This confirmation step is vital, as it allows you to double-check your selection before the restoration process begins. Once you confirm, Hostinger will take over and begin reverting your website to the chosen backup. Depending on the size of your website and the amount of data being restored, this process might take a little while. Be patient and avoid making any changes to your site while the restoration is in progress to prevent any data misalignment or errors. And there you have it. Your website should now be restored to the state of your selected backup date. Always remember to keep regular backups, not only to avoid future headaches, but also as a good practice for maintaining the integrity of your website.